He? I'm Fish. And I got my Challenger out, the DRC. Yeah, it wouldn't move, the propeller. So I freed it up. And we're gonna go have some fun like this boat's going by. So in the water it goes and not me. And off we go, have some fun. Now I know it can make those circles. Now let's go out there and get some fun. Oh, I got a low transmitter. Oh, I got a low battery. So my fun is gonna be nearby. Batteries weren't charged. The DRC was. We may get one more little splash dive, jump, but it seems to be a low battery of the DRC. We're gonna set up, waiting for the waves to come in, and here we go. 3, 2, 1, go for it. Oh, I went under. I had my fun, so I'm gonna go pick her up. We went under all right. And it's got water in there. Well, time to reopen her up, check her on out, to see if I got any water in there. No, we're dry. Dry as a bone. Well, I got everything I needed to have my fun. I'm just not sure why I got the beeping. Batteries were on charge. I'll deplete the batteries at home and throw another balanced charge on it. And I'll get my run time. Today was a beautiful day. Man, look at that. Fits right into this beautiful backpack. I just got to pack you away. And on that note, it's time to pack you away, the OP3. It's not my reviewing camera anymore. Give it a little hunt. Somebody says it's not the camera for me. You got that right. It's not the camera for you. And yeah, I like something that's rock solid. Doesn't ruin the shot. I want something that you can see the background and not bokeh. And on that note, pack on up because I'm low on battery on the scooter. Time to get out of here. Time to get on out of here.